Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. I'm Ian Tyson, an avid home cook, and today, with our Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix and a home air fryer, we are having a beer battered fish fry. Here's what you'll need for today's recipe. Read your air fryer's instructions carefully, as each model is going to be different for temperature, cook time, and features. Prepare your Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix as per instructions, but this time, use beer instead of water. Cut your fish into fillets that will fit nicely in your air fryer. Completely dredge your fish in flour. Coat the fish in your batter mixture. Dredge a second time in dry Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix. Lightly spray your air fryer with oil to prevent sticking. Add your fish to the fryer. Cook at 390 degrees for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you take the time to flip the fish midway through the cook. Meanwhile, prepare a simple tartar sauce by finely dicing dill pickles. Add to mayonnaise to complete your sauce. Plate your fish with lemon, fresh dill, and your tartar sauce. Light, crispy, and a healthier option, this fish will satisfy even the biggest purist sitting around your table. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today for these Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix air fryer recipes. Until next time, keep cooking.